Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Hi, so in today's video, I'm doing another wig review for you guys. This one is another ZURYSIS wig. They've been sending me so many wigs lately, so I'm doing another one. Anyway, this one is from the Beyond Your Imagination collection, and it is a lace front wig. The style is BYD-Lace H Tilly, and the color is some RT Maple. I'll go ahead and just put all the colors that it comes in on the screen right here. So it has baby hair, it's hand tied, some braid, it's roomy fiber and high heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So this color on my camera, it looks kind of reddy. It's like reddish orangish type of color. It's more so like a gingery orangey type of color. Well, it's like a dark ginger to brown. It's like a dark ginger to brown type of color with a 1B at the top. I believe that's 1B. It doesn't look 1. So it starts off with like the highlights come in here, and then it is that color toward the bottom and toward the back. But yeah, the coloring on this is so nice. Like ZURYSIS or Zuri Hollywood, they just color the wigs so well. It just looks like very good, like it was professionally done or something. So this wig was actually a middle part wig, but I made it a flip over just because I thought that it would be super cute. You know, I think it is. I got some baby hairs out a little bit. I didn't lay them down or nothing. I mean, you know, I probably should. I'll do it when I'm done recording. But if you want to see how I got, or what the wig looked like when I first got it and how I got it to this point, which I didn't really do much, then, you know, keep watching and I'll give y'all some details on how the hair acted as I wear it out to work. So this is how it came in the pack. I just went ahead and took it out of the package, and I went to check the combs. It has 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. It does have adjustable straps. That is the lace up against my skin tone. When I went ahead and put the wig on, like I said in the review, it did start off as like a middle part wig, but I went ahead and made it sort of like a flip over type of thing. I really like the baby hairs. It really did help a lot. I did slick down my baby hairs sometime like later on in the day before I went to work, but I didn't record that, but I did insert a picture earlier. The hair was very fluffy when I like combed it out with my fingers. I really liked it. It was like super soft looking and just super like glamorous. So yeah, but this hair didn't really shed that much at all. It was like very good, like, and it didn't tangle at all that much either, really. I only got like some shedding, like as you can see, a little bit. Yeah, I only got like a little bit of shedding. I didn't get anything like too crazy. So yeah, I mean, I really like this wig. I got a lot of compliments on this wig when I wore it. Like, so many people complimented me on this hair. So this is a really gorgeous wig, and I love it. I love it. I'm actually really curious to see what it would look like straightened, just because of like the hair color. I think that it would be super gorgeous straightened. Personally, my flat iron right now, like, I need a new flat iron. I kind of want to get like that brush that, like, you know, it's like a heated brush. I don't know what it's called. I'll insert like a picture or something. But yeah, I really want to get one of those, just so it's like a lot easier to straighten some of the hair and like wigs and stuff that I get without, you know, having to go through every strand with a straighten or like a flat iron. Ugh, I can't words. Anyway, yeah, I'm really curious to see what this will look like straightened. I think it would be really pretty. But yeah, that's pretty much all. If you guys have any questions, just make sure you comment down below, and I will make sure to get back at you when I can. Okay, bye. My battery is almost dead, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all follow ZURYSIS on their Instagram and check out their website down below. My social media is also down below if you want to follow me on there. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.